Mac computers allow you to have more than one user. Having more than one user allows two different people to share the same computer, each with their own personal settings and documents. There are two kinds of users, admin and standard. For Gertrude to safely protect your child, their user needs to be of the standard type, because admin users can disable and uninstall Gertrude. Here's how to create a new user for your child. Find the Apple icon in the upper left hand of your screen and open up the System Settings app. Then you can scroll down and look for Users and Groups or search for it. Once you're here, you should see a list of current users. For many people, that's just a single admin user. Every Mac computer comes with a single admin user when you first set it up. Mine is called Jared, and you can see right there that it's of the admin type. So what we're going to do is add a new user for our fictitious child, Franny. To do that, we just click Add Account. We may have to authenticate. And the important part right here is the type. We need to make sure this says standard, and then give it a name and a password, and click to create the user. It takes just a moment, but you'll see them show up here, and you just want to double check that it says standard under their name. And that's basically it, but I'll also show you what it looks like to log into this user for the very first time in case that's helpful. To do so, we just go over here to the Apple menu again, and we can choose the lock screen, and down here we'll select Switch User, and now we have the option to log in as Franny with that password I just created. And the very first time you log in as a brand new user, it takes a few moments because Apple is sort of setting up the user and doing a bunch of kind of pre-configuration. So it just kind of sit tight for a moment. Then you'll be presented with a whole bunch of kind of onboarding screens, and you just have to work your way through these screens, picking what makes sense. If there's anything here you don't understand, you can always just skip it or click continue or set up later. I'm going to do that for this step. Everything that you skip here, you can set up later from the system settings, so there's no need to worry about making the correct choice. You can just kind of blast through this as quickly as you can, and then you'll have a brand new user that's safe to use with Gertrude. From here on out, you want to have your child always log in to this safe standard user, and also make sure that they don't know the password to the admin account. So if it's a commonly used password or they already know it or something easy to guess, take a minute to change that, because if they know the admin password, they can also disable Gertrude and uninstall it. But as long as they're on their user and they don't know how to log into the admin user or what the password is, they should be totally safe.